welcome. Desert Just Planning here. If you've never been here, I'm glad you found me and I found you. Let's stick together and inspire each other through our planning creativity. And if you have been here before, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate it. Your support, and I'm glad that I inspired you enough to come and visit my channel once again. So what we are going to do today is, of course, an HP stash challenge, and we are going to use our stash. And what I have here is Year to Shine and memory keeping dates and holidays. I use memory keeping dates and holidays, obviously, for the dates. So here I have the rest of it. We are going to set up week number 5 in my main section. So what we have here is the last week of July, the second week of school, but this is my main section. So with that being said, this is like the major to-dos of the day, or what's going on. It will also bleed into the other sections of my planner, but not so much. I'm going to try to use the one that's up here. Not so much all that information, if that makes sense. Like, the information is mainly going to be in the other sections of the planner, but this one, well, I know there's one. Where's it at? Does it start on 3? Yes, it does. Right here. See, I knew what I was doing. Promise you. But the other sections will hub the main information of it. This is just like, hey, this needs to get done. This is your schedule. Let's go. I have a frog in my throat, and like it does not want to ribbit its way out of there. So, sorry. I hope I edit all of those weird noises out. So, with this being said, oh, we could do that. We could do like a whole bunch of squares. So we have plenty of those. Oh, I like these. I'm not even gonna like second guess it. So if it's gonna be on this side, then let's go. Let's go. All right. Okay. There we go. They just clustered right there. That's what just happened. And then we're going to put this one over here. I'm going to put you right there. Let's see. We're going to use the rest of that page, and we're going to use the rest of that page. So, let's see. Let's get this dark one over here. And then let's do that. This one has straight lines, so we're going to go straight down. And then these are completely blank. So let's have fun with these. Let's go up. Here. And let's go up. Okay, and then we only have one green. So since we have so much pink, alright, so there's that, and let's just throw this little to-do right there. Alright, this page is done. Let's see. I don't know if we're canceling anything, but we only have one cancel in there. So if I need to cancel, it's right there. That'll work. That works for me. Okay, and then I'm going to use this, which I've come to know that I need to follow the line here. That's not going to fit for me to do it again. So could we possibly have something here? Like words, not the glitter. I mean, not the foil. Do we have? No, we don't. Oh, we have another one of these though. And another one there. So can we fit these in here? Can we do this? Can we make this happen? Like, can this happen? It's not low enough. Could totally go this way, maybe. Let's do this side. And then let's do, see, that puts so many polka dots, so many leopard prints on this one. Okay, let's lift this up and we can bring her down. We can bring her over if we want. Okay, we just switch that up a little bit. This is what's going on the bottom. I really want something. It'd be nice if we found another one of those. That's kind of cool. I really like that. Already pre-whatevered. But if we can't, then we'll just add like a box or something. Like, we have these circles. circles. Let's go. I don't know if I need that one. Queso. There's that. Let's throw this one over here. This is very busy compared to what we've been doing. Yeah, I'm not going to use the big ones. Okay, that's it. All right, Year to Shine. Here it is, the last week. I've already utilized these two. I've emptied those two. Super awesome, super exciting. So here's the 2 sticker books that I used for week 5. Yay. It is the Undated extension pack with the Mickey and Minnie color block or something like that. I'm doing this for the HP Stash Challenge over on Instagram. So here is week number 5. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, I hope that you come back to see how I set up my August layout. I will be taking all of this and putting it into my main planner, but I do decorate my planner in advance, so this is still set up for June and all of its beauty. And so I need to, it's already linked up on my YouTube channel on how I take this and put it in here and take June out. So I hope you guys go and check out that video, because again, I do decorate my planner in advance so that I have everything already done. So if I need to jot something down, that is taken care of, and everything's set up for you guys as well as myself. It's set up for YouTube, it's set up for Instagram, so that you guys see the before the pen. That way when it's time for me to get all creative with my pens and my handwriting and things like that, I can go ahead and do that. Or if it hasn't been done, then I can just chunk this page up with sticky notes, pull them off for the camera, and then put them in with my pen. So everything is pre-planned before planned. Just so you know that as well. If you guys would like to see how I actually do that setup, leave a comment down below and I will make time to make one of those videos for you. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.